Kia ora, it's Te Awatua FM. We're over here in Otaki at the moment at the Etu Whānau Rangatahi Film Awards for 2021. It's been an awesome start to the morning, and hey, I'm about to chat to a few winners, so haere mai.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, will I always get up when I fall? Yeah, will I run or have to grow, 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 grow? Set my goals anyways, achieve them all up.
Kia ora, ko ngā tō rānei Livingston ahau, he ru tēnei no Ngāti Hine me Nai Tūhoe. My film is Think Piece and I won the best edit for it. And so I actually made this film during lockdown. It was for a uni assignment, so yeah, I actually did it all myself on my phone with a gimbal as well. Like I did it over a period of time. It was like 4 weeks, and so like whenever I felt like I just like got a camera, I got my phone and like just started shooting things that I like really enjoyed. I kind of made this film all based on like the feelings and like how I felt in the time, and then I came up with like the monologue like after all of the shooting. So it took me a bit of a long time, but it took me like a couple hours just to edit it all together.
What Etu Whānau Valley would you say best suits your film?
One I would say is definitely whakapapa. I think it relates well just because like in the film I talked about how I really like yearn for like my identity, for my whakapapa, for my everything really about our Māori culture, te ao Māori. But like just knowing that like your tupuna are always behind you, whether they're like behind you or inside you, they're always there and like you're never alone. And so just knowing that fact, even if you don't know who they are, like you're able to like walk wherever the life takes you. You feel the wairua
of all people that have come before you.
And it creates your ahua as well. I'm kind of like happy with it right now, but I think I'll give my like papa a call after and just tell him about it. And
cool.
Just hearing him probably be like buzzed out makes me happy.
Sunshine when my days are low. I'm the only one I'm trying to get to know. Be brave enough to be better, something new. If your dreams don't scare you, baby, build a bigger view.
Kia ora, ko Turanga Mahutonga tōku ingoa, he uri tēnei no Te Aroa, Ngāti Whakaue, me Taranaki. I won the award for Best Performance. I was in the film called Late.
Turanga, would you say that your movie gave us a little bit of an insight to how you are? Are you a bit late all the time?
Well, yes.
We all are late sometimes. I feel like a very relatable film. It's one of my favourites. What Etu Whānau value does your film portray the most, would you say?
I feel like it goes under tikanga.
I would say the same.
All the being late, you got to find the tikanga. You got to get it time.
You got to get it right.
Come on time. Yeah, so I feel like it goes under tikanga.
Be brave enough to be better, something new. If your dreams don't scare you, baby, build a bigger view.
Kia ora, my name is Caleb Bennett-Simeon, and my film was The Luckiest Man Alive, and I just won the best drama here, the best drama. Yes. It was more of a whole group thing we just did, and then I think two of the members who were acting in the movie we're just watching TikTok videos at the moment, and there was all those fail hitman ones where they're all just doing that and like just all dying. It was like we can do that. The most Etu Whānau values that my film produced was aroha and whanaungatanga. Enjoyed working with everyone over there. Sadly, one of the members who's gone back to Gizzy to continue studies is not here with us. He was a real help on the stage over there. But I had to take in everything. It's like, okay, yep, I'll do that. Yep, cool, I'll do that. Just can-do attitude, really.
Yeah, well, that's what got you the best drama. So congratulations.
Take a chance, make your dreams happen. It's a good time. Your mind is a garden.
I'm Wakawi Kaire James. My short film was For My Brother, and it won the Etu Whānau Rangatahi Filmmaker of the Year award. My inspiration was my relationship with my brother. After my mother passed away, we sort of grew quite distant, but in the recent years we've started to rekindle that relationship. This short film was a dedication to that, the fact that it's almost like, it felt like he was running away, but deep down we're still related.
If the past is any indication of the future, then I am sure that we will meet again one day.
What e tū whānau value best describes your film?
Whanaungatanga is definitely one that connects with it the most because it's all about connection. The short film is literally speaking of, even though we're physically apart, we're still emotionally connected and we're still whānau no matter how far we are. So I think that there is a strong link with that value.
You can grow flowers or you can